Building homes for clients is an amazing experience. I love working for Carlisle, they're an amazing builder. Knowing that you've helped a client in their dream home is wonderful. I'm so happy for Nathan and Bliss to be our 10,000th home. They've been wonderful clients from the start and I couldn't be more proud to hand them over their keys.
Nathan and I are super excited to be the 10,000th home. The process has been great from start to finish. We met with Callie, she was great.
She was very friendly and was open to any questions that we had, and then found this beautiful home, the Coventry 33.
The best part was picking all the colours for the house. That was my favourite.
With the building process, Mark has been incredible, always ringing us, telling us what is happening, meeting on site, pointing out things. He's been phenomenal.
Walking through the house, watching Nathan and Bliss's face as they've gone through each room was great, and I'm just happy that they're happy with their house. I try to build all my Carlisle homes as if it was my own. Quality is the number one thing for me, so I want my clients to walk in ecstatic with their house.
Congratulations, well done, and thank you very much for being a part of our stories. It's such a really proud moment for all of us, so that's why we wanted to make it a big deal. And you've got such a beautiful house here.
We are very excited to move in.
We've been waiting for this for a long time.
Hopefully it becomes a family home.
Definitely exceeded our expectations.
I wish all the best for Carlisle and more homes to come.